classic showdown is on FS1. The party is on. Iowa has taken the Cyhawk Trophy 4 seasons in a row.
This is what makes the college game great.
Now the Cyclones look